Hi everybody, welcome back to Project COVID 1953, our 1953 Chevy 150 project. Give you a little bit of update on what I did on the frame in the suspension area on the front. We had motor mounts. I put aftermarket motor mounts in, and I had to finish welding those up now that I've got the engine test fired, everything's sitting where I want, so I can finish welding those in. But for the exhaust, I actually, to get the exhaust so it would go out and around the slave cylinder, I actually had to notch the frame. So I notched the frame, got some 1/8 inch thick angle iron to go in and fill that in. So it's just as strong as it was before, if not maybe a little stronger than before. And then there were a lot of old brackets and everything that I had to cut off and grind down. So I'll be doing whatever's left I'll fill with weld if needed and do a little body work and clean it all up. It's going to get painted, but I wanted to get the hard work out of the way. So the welding up the frame, removing the brackets and welding the engine mounts in got me to where I needed to be. So there'll be more in that area that I'll be working on later, but that was something that had to get done in order to have the exhaust out far enough to get around the slave cylinder and then still be able to get it. Would have been resting on the frame and I had to notch it out of the way just to be able to make it work. So no harm, no foul. It actually, you're not going to notice it, and the frame is just as good as it ever was. So stay tuned, more to come.